back to MVP Autos, the place where automotive luxury meets performance. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into pure opulence, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This car isn't just transportation, it's a statement, a sanctuary, and a symbol of craftsmanship at its absolute peak. The 2025 Phantom carries forward the unmistakable silhouette that defines Rolls-Royce: long, commanding, and impossibly elegant. But this year, it receives some subtle updates that elevate it even further. The iconic Pantheon grille has been refined for a sleeker presence, while the Spirit of Ecstasy sits prouder and more aerodynamic than ever before. Rolls-Royce doesn't follow trends, it sets them, and the Phantom continues that legacy with effortless grace. Under the hood, the Phantom still houses the buttery smooth 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. But it's not about raw numbers with this car, it's about how it makes you feel. Acceleration is seamless, the power delivery is silkier than ever, and despite its size, the Phantom glides like a dream. The ride is so quiet, it's almost eerie. Rolls-Royce has further refined its magic carpet ride suspension system, making you feel as though the car is floating above the road. Inside, the 2025 Phantom is everything you'd expect from Rolls-Royce and more. The cabin is a masterpiece of bespoke luxury. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, wood, and metal, all hand-finished to perfection. The new customizable Starlight headliner now features shooting stars and dynamic constellations. The rear seats offer first-class level comfort, complete with massaging functions, powered footrests, and even a champagne cooler. Tech-wise, the Phantom gets a discreet but powerful update. A new OLED infotainment display blends perfectly into the dash, offering seamless control over everything from navigation to climate to entertainment. Rear passengers get twin displays mounted behind the front seats, and of course, everything can be controlled from the armrest or via voice command. And because this is Rolls-Royce, the interface is as intuitive as it is invisible. For 2025, Rolls-Royce also introduces new personalization options through its bespoke program. You can now incorporate artwork, embroidery, and even precious metals into your Phantom. Want a dashboard with a hand-painted skyline of your favorite city? Done. Want a paint job that shifts color with the light? Rolls-Royce can make it happen. This level of customization ensures that no two Phantoms are ever the same. On the road, the Phantom is unmatched in presence. Whether you're pulling up to a red carpet event or simply cruising through the city, heads will turn. This car isn't about speed, it's about status, elegance, and the ultimate in automotive comfort. Driving it feels like commanding a yacht on wheels. And sitting in the back, that's like flying private, minus the turbulence. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at just over $500,000, but let's be real, if you're shopping for a Phantom, price is probably the last thing on your mind. You're buying a piece of history, a work of art, and an experience unlike any other. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Let us know in the comments, if you had the keys to one of these, would you drive or be driven? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to MVP Autos, and stay tuned for more luxury, speed, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.